About this item: Dizzy Apple MFi Certified, the lightning cable built with Apple chips to ensure 100% compatibility with iPhone. We promise it full support with all iOS versions and no warning message pops up. Enjoy fast data transfer, syncing, and charging while also ensuring safety. Dizzy universal compatibility. Our Apple charger cable are perfectly compatible with iPhone 14/iPhone 14 Pro/iPhone 14 Pro Max/iPhone 13/iPhone 12 Pro Max/12 Pro/12/iPhone 11 Pro/iPhone 11 Pro Max/XS/Max/XR/X/8 Plus/8/7 Plus/7/SIXS Plus/SIXS/6 Plus/6 Dizzy standwear and Tier 3 black Apple MFi certified iPhone charging cable, 10 feet extra long. Feel free to choose where to charge. iPhone charging cable with reinforced joint designs that have passed many times bending tests for extra protection and durability. Dizzy fast charging and safety. High quality thick copper wire enhance charging and data transfer speed of the Apple chargers for iPhone. It's not only fast but also safe. Charging and data transfer can be performed simultaneously. Dizzy long life and shot response. Our charging cable is made of high